Indian personalities. But when we talk about Indian personalities, today we can't forget Mr. Ratan Tata. I have always been very confident about the future of India. I think it's a great country with great potential.
If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together.
No one can destroy my child, but its own nest can. The same way, no one can destroy a person, but its own mindset can.
Ups and downs in the life is very important to keep us going. Because even a straight line in ACG means we are not alive.
These all were the sayings by Mr. Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata was born in Mumbai. His parents were Naval Tata and Suni Tata and a younger brother Jimmy. When Ratan Tata was 10 years old, his parents got separated and he was formally adopted by his grandmother Navajbhai Tata.
He attended Champions School in John Kennan School in Mumbai and Bishop Cotton School in Shimla and had graduated from Riverdale School in New York. He got his bachelor's degree in architecture and an advanced management program also.
In one interview, he told that he was going to marry 4 times, but nothing worked out. He was in love with a girl in Los Angeles while working there and was about to marry her. But at that time, his grandmother was ill and he had to go back to India and couldn't marry her.
Ratan Tata was not only the key figure in the growth of Tata Group, but also respected philanthropist. His death was the great loss for India and the business world also.
Here are some unknown facts about Mr. Ratan Tata. At the age of 69, he became the first Indian civilian to fly F-16 Falcon, a fighter jet, during the Aero India show in Bengaluru.
After completing his education in Harvard Business School, he was offered a government position in US, but he rejected it and returned back to India and contributed to Tata Group.
He invested in Indian startups like Paytm, Lenskart and much more just to help young people to grow their business.
He was a massive fan of Formula One car. At the age of 76, he drove Ferrari One car. So this proves the passion never fades, no matter whatever the age is.
He was the most humble businessman. Let's give a tribute to this great personality,
Mr. Ratan